If you've got a hard to access roof and you don't want to pay thousands for a scaffold to be set up just to inspect the area for potential problems, a drone roof inspection might be the perfect solution for you. The flyover aspect of the inspection can often be done in just a couple of hours, which means we can be totally flexible to pick the right weather window, and you have none of the disruption or cost of a scaffold being erected. The compact and lightweight nature of modern drones means that they are suitable for nearly all scenarios, and their incredible resolution capabilities make the finished film and photo captures of the roof incredibly useful for zooming in on and highlighting any problem areas. If you'd like to see how we might be able to help with the roof inspection at your property, please contact us at camelvalleycreative.co.uk.